Hello and welcome to this video. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Subail Khan. I am a blockchain expert, business strategist, and business mentor. So most of the information mentioned in this video is really time sensitive. So I strongly recommend that you subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell so that you can get the notifications of upcoming videos in time. So in this video, I will disclose some hidden gems also, and we will go through the market situation overall. We will look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies, and we will also look at the cryptocurrencies which have been pumping really hard recently and now gone through some corrections. So let's go ahead and dive deep into the market and see where the opportunities are lurking around. So looking at the current market situation, we can see that Bitcoin has been hovering around the 30 to 35k level currently. Ethereum, we were expecting it to climb up to $1,500 and then all the way up to $2,000 in the coming week, so to speak. But it is still stuck under $1,500. Even though it has crossed its all-time high quite a few times. So we will see how it plays out for Ethereum in the current 2 months. The reason why I'm so much bullish on Ethereum is that a lot of it is locked in the DeFi, and institutions are also accumulating Ethereum along with Bitcoin. And if you want to know more about the institutional accumulation of cryptocurrencies, you can follow the video above in which I am explaining this fact in great detail. Looking at XRP, we saw a huge climb all the way up to around 70 cents, and then it just dumped down, and that was amazing to see, because in cryptocurrencies what happens is that in bull cycles everything just becomes overvalued. I still remember the last bull cycle when Icon went all the way up to $10 and then it went down 99% or around that, and every influencer back then was just shilling about that okay, fine, it is Korean Ethereum and this and that and all that. And its mainnet had just launched, and there were not even any D apps back then, in my opinion. So it is quite strange to see how far the adoption and the market psychology can be. Like markets are always forward looking, so the price can actually climb really high, but then later on, when the dust of the hype settles, things can really tone down and make people stressed when the bear market starts. Polkadot, in my opinion, it has huge potential, but it has seen a great price increase in the coming in the past few months. So I won't be buying Polkadot now. Even if I will be doing that, I will slowly accumulate over time so that I don't end up taking too much risk, and that is very important to dollar cost average. As far as Cardano is concerned, there has been some news. This video of Mr. Charles Hoskinson, an amazing gentleman, was shared on Twitter, and then afterwards things just simply pumped up. And in cryptocurrencies it always happens like that. There are some news from some key figures who are a part of the project, or from some celebrities, and then everything just shoots up. And Dogecoin also pumped like hell due to the comments from Elon Musk. Elon Musk also mentioned Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin also had a sudden increase in price, and then it also came down. But still, again, it is hovering between 30 to 35k, which is quite healthy for this time. But once again, if Bitcoin breaks some key support levels, or historical price levels, then we can simply see the levels of 20 or 22k again. I still remember the time when Bitcoin was 20k and people were saying that in a few months we will hit 60k in the last bull run, and then when it went to 3k, everybody was just in a panic mode and giving away their Bitcoins to the strong hands, to institutional investors who were accumulating back then. So as far as ADA is concerned, there are some good news which are coming up in the coming month in February, and I think that as the Goguen mainnet is launched and once the smart contracts come, I firmly believe that there is a huge potential for Cardano to grow. So we can potentially see the price of Cardano between 80 cents and $1.20, which is its previous all-time high. So things can really push up quickly once that happens. Chainlink, I won't be interested right now, even though it is an excellent project and it enables the blockchains to assess the real world data, and in this way enable a lot of use cases which were not possible before. So if you are interested to know more about that, I have explained that in the video, the link of which is above. So in that video, I am elaborating the collaboration between Chainlink and the BNB, Binance Smart Chain, due to which I think that both of these parties are gonna benefit immensely from this collaboration. So Chainlink is an amazing project, but right now it has just gone too high for me, and I will just refrain from investing into that. Binance BNB coin, it has gone up in value significantly, as we can see, 24.52% in the past 7 days, and it is a good long-term hold. As we know that Binance is the biggest exchange, or let's say one of the biggest exchanges as far as the daily volume is concerned. But right now, actually, I think I will just stay away from it. So now let's have a look at the coins which are hidden gems and also the coins which are under the top 10 coins. So Uniswap has been increasing in price significantly. You can see that it has risen by 49%. There was a mention by Data Dash YouTube channel about Uniswap, and quite rightly so, because the volume on this exchange is in billions of US dollars currently, and it is not a centralized exchange. It is a D app essentially on the top of Ethereum, and it is blowing up in price. But just look at this for a moment. There is another project by the name 1inch, which I mentioned in one of my videos. So here is this video about 1inch. You can have a look at that. I will leave the link above. So in this video, which was released a week ago, after this video, the price of 1inch token, it just surged a lot, and I was quite amazed to see the number of views on this video. I just started off the YouTube channel, so the audio on this video was not that good, and some of the viewers complained about that. I really apologize for that. In this video, I am actually explaining that 1inch has some key competitive advantages over Uniswap and also SushiSwap, and the advantage is that 1inch sources liquidity from different protocols, and in this way it ensures that the average price of the digital asset in the big order which is placed by institutions is lowered, and in this way they don't have to pay a very big price for their order. So it is geared towards institutional investors, and looking at the extent of accumulation by the institutions currently of digital assets, I firmly believe that 1inch is gonna continue surging in price. So in the past 4 weeks, it saw a price of 94 cents, and then it just climbed up to $5.50, around that. And that is why, look at the timing. You can just go and see the timing of the video, and also the surge in price. Furthermore, I also released 2 videos on Cardano. This is the first one, and then there is a previous one on that it is this one, which got over 2000 views. I strongly recommend that you kindly go through this video because it really digs deep into the Cardano smart contracts platform and the way it solves the 5 key issues with the first and second generation blockchains. It is very important to see how these platforms are going to transform the world that we live in, and this also gives us a little bit of a perspective where this space is going to go in future. So Cardano is definitely going to see a good price increase in the coming months, provided the Bitcoin remains over a level of 28k or around that. And there is yet another hidden gem which I'm going to talk about, and it is Kardiachain. Kardiachain is the only blockchain to my knowledge which is decentralized and also provides a non-invasive solution for interoperability. And these guys are really talented, and I am really surprised to see that how a group of talented individuals from a small country like Vietnam can come together and create these disruptive technologies which will transform a whole nation by actually creating a digital society out of it and inducing the benefits of blockchain like decentralization, disintermediation, and security into different market segments and also in the public sector too. So it is really inspiring to see their collaborations. It is also inspiring to see their vision, their solution, and the team of Neo was actually shocked to see their solution, which is called a dual node solution, with which they can just simply make two blockchains interoperate without compromising the security. So it came as a surprise to the Neo team, and after that they have been getting a lot of visibility. Now this project is really undervalued, considering the fact that they definitely have a competitive advantage over on-chain, which is centralized. It does have a non-invasive interoperability solution, but as I said, it is centralized. But then Ion, Polkadot, and other projects, either they are centralized or else their interoperability solution is invasive. So Cardano is definitely decentralized, Polkadot is decentralized, but on-chain is centralized. Ion is also decentralized, but I can say with certainty that their interoperability solution is invasive. And in this way, it limits its application to use cases which are not that much security critical. Also, at the same time, Kardiachain, just like Cardano, it makes the lives of developers really easy to switch from Ethereum, which has the first mover advantages. So Cardano has already demonstrated the Ethereum converter, due to which the dApps and tokens of Ethereum network, they can be simply ported to the Cardano blockchain. And in this way, the developers can leverage the high transaction speeds and other advantages which come with Cardano, but which don't come with Ethereum. And Ethereum 2.0 is still a work in progress, and we don't know how long it is going to take. Same goes with Kardiachain. So Kardiachain also provides the developers with easy to use tools which are very intuitive, with which they can actually switch from Ethereum or other blockchains. And in this way, it can grow the ecosystem of Kardiachain exponentially. And I'm confident about that because not only their interoperability solution is quite simple and scalable, but also at the same time, they provide the developers with the ability to shorten their learning curve and switch from Ethereum and other blockchains which have now gained a big network effect, to just switch over to them. If you want to know more about Kardiachain, the link of Kardiachain video is above, and it is going to be fantastic because it will really make it clear why I am so bullish and what are the 8 key dimensions due to which I think that it is going to be a wonderful investment in the long run. So remember guys, on this channel, my goal is not just to give you an overview of the market, but also diagnose the market and find out these hidden gems. And as I find them, it is my responsibility to share them with you, even though I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is a financial advice. I am a blockchain expert and business strategist, and I just want to share my knowledge with you so that it can help you in understanding the space better, and it can be a good starting point for your own research. So looking at the Google Trends, we can see that there has been a big increase in the interest of Ethereum. And now since since the week of 3rd to 9th of January, it has come down considerably. But I still believe that the interest in Ethereum is only going to grow. Why? Because it still has the first mover advantages, and institutions are now thinking of it also as a store of value, and a lot of it is locked into DeFi, as I mentioned before. So looking at Cardano, the same story. We had a sudden increase in the past 1 month or so, and now the interest is actually going down. But long term, I'm really bullish on Cardano. And as they roll out their platform, and more and more D apps are created on it, and more programmers, they switch from Ethereum to Cardano network, which I think is definitely going to happen because of the delays in the Ethereum 2.0 release, and also at the same time due to the transaction fee of the Ethereum. And also I would say that for new programmers, Solidity does has a learning curve, which is the programming language of Ethereum. So that was the overall market roundup for today. So today we discussed 2 hidden gems, Kardiachain and 1inch. And I strongly recommend that you look at the videos which I made about these 2 amazing projects. Also, I hope that you got some value from this video today. Stay tuned, and I will keep on doing such a video each day. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Subscribe and support. Bye.